Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a thriller topics that will surely explode your passion in flight jet. Join us as we delve in this trial competition of the two world-class fighter aircraft, the formidable Sukhoi Su-35 and the iconic F-16. Let's begin by delving into this history. This aviation marvelous of Sukhoi Su-35 show up its Russian engineering powers and enters the service in 2014 and capturing the attention of fighter aircraft authority in worldwide. Its sleek aerodynamic design and coupled with magnificent strong match offered by its twin-engine configuration and ensure an extraordinary fighting performance. On the other hand, F-16, a truly American legend, has been a foundation of air-surprising since about 1978. When it's come to advanced technology, both these fighters are packed with this brim. The Su-35 boosting the state of the art of avionics suite, employing cutting-edge radar system, including an orthogonal passive reduction scan area (PESA) radar that provide an unparalleled situation of warfare. This imperial radar coupled with impressive range meanwhile, the F-160 plunged the enhanced technology powered with an inspiration feature such as advanced link on-6 data sharing system, allowing to mailless communication between multiple aircraft, bringing unparalleled variation on battlefield. Now let's dive in the heart of matter, the fire point. The Su-35 is equipped with this leather weapon and featuring the long range is the air-to-air missile like R-77 and infrared guide missile like R-73. On the opposite side, F-16 packed with funds is on, showcase and wide range the air-to-air missiles such as AM-120. Additionally, the process of driving the section to air-to-ground, boosting the effective the board to air and air-to-ground combined. The Su-35 is primarily a air superiority fighter designed for air-to-air combat, while the F-16 multiple role for fighter combat with performance to both air-to-air and air-to-ground mission. The Su-35 equipped with the powerful fast area radar with the long range distance capability. The F-16 radar capability depend on the variety, but maybe not match with the Su-35 in turn. Speed. The Su has slightly higher maximum speed than the F-116. Range. The F-16 has slightly longer operation range than the Su-35. Both aircraft are equipped with the wide range of advanced air-to-air and air-to-ground weapon. Finally, the moment you all been waiting for. Hence we cannot declare the winner, but instead the shape of magnificent vote of fighter. You can mention who is the winner as your competition and mention in the comment section. Thanks for watching.